Checking the iPads throughout a service is so important because if the iPads sit a little bit too close to the waterline, it can cause red and watery eyes. And if the iPads sit too far away, then we won't have a good enough contrast between the lashes and the iPads, making isolation and application much tougher. There will likely be times during a service where the iPads will slip around and need to be removed and readjusted. And it may seem a little intimidating to adjust the iPads throughout a service, but in this video, I'll be sharing with you a hack on how you can do this easily and quickly to avoid causing irritation to your client and so that you can readjust the iPads so you can get through your service stress-free. Firstly, I like to check on the iPads every 20 minutes or so to see if they have moved closer to the waterline. A sure sign of this is when you see collagen buildup on the iPads, or when the eyes begin to look a little bit red, or if the iPad is covering the waterline. It also never hurts to check in with your client throughout the service to see how the pads are feeling. The first thing you're gonna do is you're going to blow the lashes dry, just in case the eyes open, there won't be any stinging or irritation. I'm using our Gluberator fan attachment for a soothing blow dry. Next, you want to check if there's any stickies on the iPad. I like to check for stickies by using my inspection mirror and gently lifting the eyelid. If you notice a sticky, you can go ahead and grip the extension and pull it off of the iPad. Once you've ensured there's no stickies, you can carefully remove the iPads. Grip the inner corner and slowly pull away from the skin towards the outer corner. Okay, so my hack for easily readjusting the pad without opening the eyes is to grab a second pair of iPads to pull back all of the lashes. This will give you a clear view of the under eye area without the extensions getting in the way. And then you can go ahead and secure the bottom lashes underneath the bottom iPad. You can also try this hack with some detacked micropore tape as well. If you're feeling confident and want to quickly apply the iPad back on the under eye area, you can also use your 2 fingers to gently open the eye to place the iPads as well. I prefer not to get my clients to open their eyes when readjusting the iPads during a service because their eyes have been closed for some period of time, and if they were to open their eyes, they would likely be sensitive to light, which can cause them to water, adding more time to the service. So I definitely prefer to go for one of these 2 methods. Thanks so much for checking out today's video, and if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.